Are you ready to take your IELTS writing skills to another level? If so, make sure you continue watching because I will provide you with expert guidance on how you can score a high band in writing task 1 and writing task 2. And just to let you know, this is our 5th video of our IELTS preparation for beginners series, so make sure you check out our other videos in the playlist below. Let's get right into this video. So the first step is that you need to understand the exact format that you are going to be asked in IELTS writing task 1 and writing task 2. So in the IELTS writing task 1 section, depending if you are taking the general or academic exam, it will vary. So for general students, you will be required to write a letter that is 150 words minimum. In this letter, you may be required to write a formal, semi-formal, or informal letter. And then for academic students, in the IELTS writing task 1 section, you will be required to analyze a visual such as a bar chart, pie chart, line graph with data in it, and you will have to summarize the data that is shown in that particular visual and write it in a minimum of 150 words. So after you complete IELTS writing task 1, you will proceed to IELTS writing task 2. In IELTS writing task 2, you will be required, both for academic and general students, you are required to write a 250 word minimum essay. This essay could vary from asking your opinion about something or asking what you think the advantages and disadvantages are of a particular topic. So you need to make sure you are aware of this question type you may be given in IELTS writing task 2. So guys, if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get right back into the video. So the second tip I have for you is that you need to familiarize yourself with the structure of your writing. What I mean by this is that you need to know exactly how to write the perfect letter that will score you a high band. For example, for the general students or for the academic students, you need to know what types of information to include in what parts of your summary in writing task 1 to get a high band. And then moving along to writing task 2, you need to know how exactly you can write an essay that will score you a high band. Because one of the band descriptors for the IELTS writing task 2 section is how you were able to write in a coherent and clear manner. You need to know what to include in paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and all your thoughts should be written in such a way that the examiner does not have a hard time or challenging time following along with your points, and you are able to write in a way that makes the most sense. You need to make sure that you include an introduction about the main points, which should be written in the body paragraph. You should have at least 2 body paragraphs. Then you should follow along with the conclusion. You need to make sure you know exactly how to format your essay. And guys, the third tip I have is to include specific language and vocabulary. What I mean by this is, remember that the IELTS writing section is assessing your ability to write in different sentence structures or using different grammar points. So you need to make sure that you write your IELTS writing task 1 or task 2 in a variety of different sentence structures and using different grammatical structures, so that way you are able to get a high band. And also make sure you use a variety of different phrases so you are able to show off your English writing capabilities. And guys, the fourth tip is that you need to start practice writing. You need to write and you need to be given feedback on your writing. Start practicing with maybe just writing an introduction on a certain topic, and then try to get feedback from a teacher or a coach or maybe a friend to see if you actually wrote this introduction correctly or where you need to improve. Feedback is the only way you can know where exactly you need help in and how you can improve. So make sure you start writing today. And not only that, make sure you learn new vocabulary words and implement them in your writing, so that way you know you are preparing for your IELTS writing section. And guys, if you want to know about a free tool on how you can practice your writing to improve in IELTS writing task 1 and task 2, make sure you check out this video up above. I'll see you over there.